welcome back to the vlog. It is your host Rob from I-25 Kia. For this week I have the 2018 Kia Sportage. This model in particular is the black cherry paint job. It also has Kia's new and improved 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the all-wheel drive model. My favorite part though is these black chrome wheels. So this whole vehicle is just murdered out. But I thought I'd pick up the Sportage because we have quite the sporting event coming up. Next week, August 3rd and 4th, is the Copper Triangle. It's a giant cycling course that travels 79 miles. It passes 3 Colorado mountain passes: Fremont Pass, Tennessee Pass, and Vail Pass. So next weekend we're gonna spend the entirety of it at Copper Mountain. I thought it'd be a fun idea to give you guys a course preview because it is a very scenic and fun drive anyway, and this is a perfect vehicle to take me there. But while I was looking online, I discovered that in Copper, they have a brand new attraction. They have an Alpine roller coaster, and I have always wanted to do an Alpine roller coaster. So join me on my adventure, let's go check it out. I've never been to the Copper Mountain Resort. I need help getting there. Luckily, this 2018 Sportage comes fully equipped with UVO e-services and the 7-inch touchscreen display, but I already have the route calculated on my phone. But Kia makes it very easy for you. You just plug in your phone, and then no need for this. Just click your Apple CarPlay, got all of your navigation. So my route is already active. I don't have to do anything else. And then let's get some music. It's not a trip until you got some good tunes to listen to. All right, let's go. This is the Alpine coaster of Copper Mountain. So this coaster, I believe, is 5,800 feet long. I will say that the line to get into this little cart took a very long time, but already this is worth it, and I'm not even going fast. I definitely recommend everybody come do this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the ride. Let's go. This is awesome. Woo! Yeah. Woo! This is too cool. Woo! This is amazing! Yeah! This is awesome! Hey! This is sweet! Oh man, that was sweet. Oh, thank you. Have a good day, man. That Alpine coaster was amazing. Yeah, the line was long, but it was worth the wait. Where am I right now? Just 12 miles out of Copper, they're gonna reach their first beautiful destination, Fremont Pass. It is 11,318 feet. I'm thinking this is going to be one of the aid stations available for cyclists. What's that thing? It's moments like this where I really love Colorado. You're just way out in the middle of nowhere and you just come across this random outdoor museum of train parts. And it's a quarry museum, that's what it is. So from Fremont Pass, we travel another 30 miles to get to Tennessee Pass. At this milestone, cyclists will have reached 32 miles into the course. From here, participants will take a long turn around Tennessee Pass. And for the next 40 miles, we'll be traveling through the White River National Forest. And finally, at 67 miles, you're gonna make it to Vail Pass. But the course is not over. You still have a little bit more to go.
Let's go.
And then finally, after 79 miles of cycling, we end up back here at the Copper Mountain Resort. So it's gonna be a really fun day. If you're in the area, definitely come check it out. There's gonna be lots of food, lots of games, but mostly there's just gonna be a lot of really amazing people here. And if you're one of those adventurous spirits, make sure to sign up and do it yourself. Just make sure that you're physically fit and capable to complete this, because I would die. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to check in next week for the Copper Triangle. And if you have any questions about the 2018 Kia Sportage, go to I-25 Kia and talk to the car experts. And if you like the content, do me a solid and like and subscribe. If you're already subscribed and you're not getting notified about the videos, make sure to hit the bell. But anyways, thank you for tuning in. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Tune back next week for the Copper Triangle, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.